We have yet more news that another one of Donald Trump's criminal trials may be televised. The ratings are going to be off the charts, my friends. The New Republic reports Trump's D.C. trial could soon be televised for your viewing pleasure. We already knew that Trump's Georgia trial would likely be televised if it goes to trial, if there's not a plea agreement or charges are dropped or whatever. Many things can happen between now and then. But we did not know that the D.C. trial could soon be televised. The New Republic reports Donald Trump may be the star of a new TV special soon, his upcoming D.C. trial. NBC Universal News Group filed a 43-page motion on Wednesday hoping to televise USA v. Trump, the first criminal trial of a U.S. president. The American public has an extraordinary interest in seeing and hearing this trial of former President Trump. If ever a trial were to be televised, wrote the legal team for NBC, this one should be for the benefit of American democracy. The request has been filed to U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan. NBC asking to broadcast audio and video, either with a delay or live using the court's own equipment. There is an uphill battle, but it is potentially a motion that will be granted. This truly could be the trial of the century. And I don't mean just like the 21st century, of the last 100 years, I think I would say. And the great outcome of this would be that all of Trump's trials are televised, or at least some of them, more than one. One of the funniest things about this is when you see articles saying one of Trump's biggest trials could be televised, we don't know which one they mean because there's so many. Like, is it the DC federal insurrection trial, or is it the state trial in Georgia, or is it the federal documents case, or is it the civil case in New York regarding the fraud? Which one is going to be the one for the payoffs to the porn star? Which trial is it? This could finally get Trump the ratings that he's been claiming to have for so long. Trump talking about, I have the biggest ratings, I have the most ratings. Trump's criminal trial and Trump sitting there at the defense table actually could finally get Trump those ratings he's so desperate for. You know, many people are saying my trial, it's bigger than OJ. The jury had tears in their eyes the entire time. They were screaming, "Sir, they made us find you guilty." Hillary would never get these numbers at trial, not even close. That I can assure you. If you think Trump's been losing his mind every single day that he attends his civil trial in New York, unable to control himself, diarrhea of the mouth, if you think that's been bad, just wait until Trump's criminal trials start, which put him at risk of what is effectively, for a guy of his age and health, what would effectively be life in prison. It is going to be an incredible thing to behold. We don't gloat in the displeasure that Trump will experience, but we identify when it is warranted based on the things he is accused of. And that is very much the case based on the detailed indictments that we have seen. All right, we have such a great program for you today. We'll take a quick break and then it continues. If you sit all day long while you work and you've never tried a desk that can transition between sitting and standing, it really is a game changer. I've had an uplift desk for a while. I use it every day to record the show, prepare for the show, do my office work. I'm sitting at an uplift desk at this very moment, and I've been using uplift desks for many years. We wanted them to be a sponsor, and we finally were able to make it happen. Standing while I work helps me get the creative juices flowing. I feel more productive. I'm focused. I'm more alert. And it's also healthier. I'm just moving around more. My circulation is better, which is just good for your health. I use the uplift standing desks because they don't wobble. Totally stable, even with all of my show equipment on them. The build quality is just tremendous. And you can completely customize the desk by choosing from over 100 desktop choices, hundreds of accessories. I have a whole bunch of them, including a USB hub and a keyboard tray and all sorts of things. They have free shipping, free returns, free return shipping, and an industry-leading 15-year warranty. My audience gets 5% off when you go to upliftdesk.com/Pacman and use the code Pacman. The link is down below.